What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we are doing an unboxing and overview of the Feyachi 1200 Lumen Tactical flashlight with a pressure pad here. So let's go ahead and get this guy unboxed, see what it comes with first. All right, so we went ahead and got everything out of the package here. Let's go over what all it comes with. First, the main thing here is our actual flashlight. As you can see here, it has the mount already just built right into it as far as going directly to a Picatinny mount. We have the LED on the front, and again, this is a 1200 lumen as far as the brightness, and then we do have a tail cap. This is replaceable. As seen here, you just remove it, and then that brings us to our next piece, which is we have a pressure pad here that we can install, and you can have a click here where this is to leave it on for full on like that, and that would turn it off. Or there's a momentary on pressure pad right here that you can just kind of push and hold, and it'll turn on when you're holding it. So pretty cool. It comes with both options there. It also comes with a little Velcro strap here that you can utilize. We have the batteries. As seen here, these are rechargeable batteries. And with your rechargeable batteries, they also give you the actual recharging device, so that way you can recharge it. And also going with that is the cord. You plug it in here, you plug it into a wall outlet then with a USB part to it, and you can recharge your batteries with this. So pretty nice, all that comes with it. Then lastly, we have our mounting options. So we do have some M-lock screws as seen here. So the cool thing about this, and I'll actually show you, is you can remove this here. So you can use this pressure pad, you can mount it directly to pick rail, 1913 pick rail, or if we remove these screws here, with those screws out, you can actually see this comes off the plate here. So then if you didn't want to use this plate, the pick rail one, you can set that aside. And now you can actually see these are M-lock rotation pieces here. So we can use the M-lock bottom pieces right here as well as those screws, and we can actually mount this directly to M-lock if we want. Next up, let's actually go ahead and put the batteries in this, see if this guy works here. So we're gonna grab one of the rechargeable batteries. We're gonna put the positive side in pointing forward. And I'm just gonna grab the tail cap here. Awesome, and with the tail cap on, we can go ahead and see, we can click it on here. That'll turn it on. And then if we want, we can kind of momentary hold it here like a half click, and it works that way as well. Next up, let's go ahead and get this guy mounted and show you how easy it is to get this set up. To help demonstrate, I have the upper of my AR here, and you can see I do have a section here with a little bit of pick rail that I can mount a flashlight to. So that's where I will actually mount this. So to mount this, all you have to do is unscrew this guy to loosen up the pick rail mount. And then from there, all you have to do is go ahead and attach it over, and then just tighten that knob back down. And it's as simple as that to get it mounted. You could just use it like this and use the back of your thumb to go ahead and operate this. Or if we want, we can go ahead and swap it for the other tail cap here with the pressure pad. So let's do that, and I'll show you how it works, and we can mount it to the top. So from here, we have our tail cap switched, and the next thing we want to do is I did remove this plate earlier to show you that we can mount this to M-lock if we want, but I do want to use this on the top portion of my rail here. So the first thing I want to do is go ahead and mount this on and make sure I have it facing in the right direction. So I want it to look like this when it's mounted on here. So I'm going to go ahead and put this base plate on like so right here. And all we have to do is just kind of start it on one side and wiggle it over. Perfect, just like that. And then now from here, we can go ahead and grab the actual switch. And this is where we can take our screws and screw them back in to secure it. Then as a last step, if you want, I actually used the Velcro strap that it came with to help do a little bit of cable management here. I'll probably change this later and use a couple zip ties on here, but you could use this just like that. It doesn't look the best, but it does help get the cable out of the way so you don't get it caught on anything. And now from here, we're all set. We can go ahead and click it. It works as far as constant on. And then we have our pressure pad where if we just apply pressure, it will stay on. Pretty freaking cool. I'll put a link to this down below so you can check it out, but if you have questions, let me know in the comments as well. Overall, weapon lights aren't cheap, and this one is a more budget-friendly option that you can pick up. So far, from what I can tell, it has great output. The pressure pad makes it a lot more versatile for any setup that you might want to put it on, just like this here, and it's definitely worth checking out in my opinion. If this was helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. Always appreciate that. And until next time, have fun shooting, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, everybody.